our focus to more breaking inputs that we are tracking as far as the EVM and VVPAT verification plea that is in the top court is concerned. In fact, hearing is underway and EC officials in attendance. Let's also tell you what we're picking up so far as this is concerned. The Supreme Court, the Election Commission has said, put all apprehensions to rest. Supreme Court has stated, poll process has its sanctity. Supreme Court has also said, leave no doubt inside and outside court and probe charge of extra votes to BJP in mock polls. So let me take that point across to my colleague Harish. Harish, very good afternoon. As far as this is concerned, of course, legally speaking, we still understand this is underway. But if you could help us understand where things stand at the moment.
Yes, that's right, Nivedana. In fact, the Supreme Court is hearing a batch of petitions which have raised doubts regarding the EVMs and said that all the VVPATs, like 100% VVPAT slips should be counted and not the present system where randomly only five VVPATs from 5 EVMs randomly selected from each assembly is counted. But the Supreme Court yesterday, in fact, has said that it will amount to be a paper ballot system if all VVPATs are counted, and it has certain drawbacks because if human element is inserted, there can be bias and other problems. But at the same time, it has told the Election Commission of India in no uncertain terms that you should allay all apprehensions regarding hacking, misusing and abusing the EVMs, and therefore has sought entire detail regarding the process followed from recording of votes, storage and counting, and also post-counting system, whether in case any candidate has any doubts regarding the votes recorded. The Supreme Court, as you rightly said that you should allay all apprehensions in the mind of voters because it involves the electoral process which has its sanctity, and you should clear all doubts, and there should not be any doubt left inside the court and also outside the court. In fact, the Election Commission of India has already said that this issue has already been dealt by the Supreme Court several times
Harish.
earlier. This amounts to res judicata, and also that reverting to the paper ballot system. I have to interject
you there, Harish, but for the moment, thank you very much for getting us those details. Of course, we'll come back to you for more on that. For the moment, we leave it at that because we should...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.